Hello dear Libra, welcome back to my channel, and this is your March last week's exclusive love reading, not love reading. So yes, I have started a career reading as well, as a lot of you have been messaging me saying that we want a weekly career reading as well. So this is going to be a combination reading now, love reading plus career reading, your business, your money, everything will be covered. So your cards are already out. Let's see how your last week of March, which is starting from 24th till the 31st, is going to be. You have got the Three of Spheres and the Eight of Sons. This is for your love. Now, I do see that a new celebration is happening, a new beginning is happening in your love life. I do see that you will be getting a lot of importance, which means, either you are making it formal to your friends or family if you have been dating someone for a long time, or you are actually getting married or engaged, because somebody gets a lot of attention when they break a news out, right? Or when they finalize something. For example, a bride and a groom, they're on the stage, everyone wants to talk to them, get clicked pictures with them. So it is that kind of situation where you are getting a lot of attention, when you are the center of attention. It could be that you're meeting the family, is taking that next step forward in your relationship. So yes, and get ready for some sort of celebration, which is engagement or marriage, or at least you're starting to talk about it, finalizing things, meeting each other's friends and family, making it formal, and that is what is getting you all the attention. So love life looks beautiful. I do see it's a new beginning. So this is less of a reconciliation, but more of a new chapter beginning for you, and you celebrating it. And I also see a lot of happiness around you. Coming to your career, you've got the Six of Moons, the Ten of Suns, and the Emperor. Okay, this talks about some sort of maybe a regret that you have, that you keep on looking in the past, or some sort of current situation which is making you look in the past, as in how simple life was, right? So your office or your career or your business could be very toxic for you right now, with a lot of burden and heavy energy that I can sense, right? Like a lot of you have been burdened to meet the deadlines, or people are just cruel to you, people are just mean to you, or they are blaming you for all the losses that the business is incurring, or the loss of the clients, or anything that is happening. I do see you looking backwards and relishing the times when life was simpler for you. Maybe your childhood days when you really did not have to worry about the money or running the house and stuff like that. If you are in that situation, if the work and the burden and the money issues are bothering you, don't worry, because the March last week is going to give you a little bit of relief. You will find that balance and stability will be restored. You will have authority in your life as well. It could come from a change, it could come from a change of job, or simply the situation in your current job getting better, right? So I do see that this hard and heavy energy is going to change eventually, only if you endure. So if you want to stay in your current job, I do see that you'll have to endure and be patient a little longer, because this is also a card of patience. So be a little bit patient with yourself and others, and endure the difficult times in your work and your business, because I know that people are only trying to pull you down, and this is a hard time for you, but stability is round the corner. You will have financial stability. If in your business your money has been like this, you will find that a stable income will start coming. You will have like stable number of clients as well. Fluctuation level will decrease a lot, and the cruelty or office politics will also decrease, where you will have a sort of authority over the others. It can be a current promotion where you are being tested to see how much pressure can you actually take. So be bold and courageous and have strong willpower, because this is required. But I do see financial stability and mental stability coming back into your life in the week of March. So if we talk about your overall week, it's going to be beautiful. It's going to get better for you, love wise or personal life, or your career, business, money. I do see financial stability coming to your life. I also see some of you could have a lot of influence from your father in your business or work. Maybe you're doing it with him and he's giving you some sort of advice, or his help means a lot to you, right? So yes, this can be that as well. But yes, your life is getting better. I know it's a tough time. Endure it. It will get better, Libra. And if you guys resonated with my reading, please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. And if you would like to book any reading, I have various services available. My lowest charge starts at 170 rupees, goes up to 8,000 as well. So depending upon your budget, you can book a reading, ask as many questions as you want. I have different formats available. I have typed reading, which is like the cheapest. Audio recording is the cheapest. Then comes the audio call and video call session, which is available on Instagram as well. So guys, please follow me on Instagram, the Moksha Tarot. Email me for bookings or DM me on Instagram as well. The email ID is astasharma842@gmail.com. All these lists and emails and Instagram handles are available in my description box and bio. Please go check it out if you haven't already noted it down. Take care of yourself and I will see you soon. Bye bye.